If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! I am getting ready. We're going out. My daughter and I are going out to Seafood City. See ya! We are on our way to Seafood City. That's my daughter right there. And then my son on the other side. That's Arjan. And then I have Abby there at the front. And Janlei is our driver right there. Okay, we're taking the highway. We're on our way to Scarborough where the Seafood City is. It's just newly open. And you can see that the road is not that busy because we're still on lockdown right now. You will notice that the parking lot is also empty because we're still on lockdown. We are now going to the store inside the Seafood City and we're looking for some snacks, Filipino snacks. This is a Filipino store, like a grocery store that's newly opened in Scarborough in Toronto. We bought pork barbecue. Look, they're enjoying it. The road is not busy. Look at that. And we had some bubble tea as well. We also stopped by to get some bubble tea and we're on the way home now. My son is a driver, so I'm just a passenger. Look at that. The road's still clear and there's no traffic. This is a Filipino snacks. Oh my goodness. What's in here? Oh, mango. Canton. We're gonna make pancit canton. I was craving for pancit canton and I made it. I also cooked some dinuguan. That's my son's favorite. They call it chocolate meat. I bought different kind of puto. And now my son wants to cook pasta with Janlei. She's my goddaughter.
What's going on, guys? We're back at it again in the kitchen. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to SimplyShineLV.
And turn on the post notification bell.
There you go. So right now we're just chopping up some shallots. We're going to be making a shrimp pasta. So yeah, let's get going.
Wow. Oh, this is big.
Oh, she's here. So what did you do in there?
So we just sauteed the shallots that we cut up, and I just added some white wine. We're gonna keep it on high to let the white wine reduce, and then we're gonna add our cherry tomatoes, season it up, and that should be our sauce.
Oh, sounds good already.
Garlic, and we're gonna saute it with the shrimp that we had already peeled.
We have the boiling water and then you're cooking the pasta in there. What did you put in the boiling water?
Just salt, a lot of salt.
Oh, okay.
And a lot of salt.
Yeah.
We just added tomatoes. The wine's reduced. And we're gonna wait until all these tomatoes burst up. Look pretty. And in this pan right here, we're gonna saute the shrimp. We do not want the butter to brown.
Oh. But it is brown.
Yeah, the garlic's going now.
Come on, it's brown.
No, it's good. It's done.
Ito, oh.
Stop it.
With the $7,000. You know what though? But how long have you had this for? Though? Yeah, so it's worth it.
So what are you putting in there?
We're putting some parsley. We don't have fresh parsley, so we're using dried parsley. And we're looking for the garlic powder.
Garlic powder is just there. Say something.
We're just draining the pasta. We cooked it to a nice al dente.
Okay, make sure you put some olive oil or something on top and then you're drying it so it won't stick together. Diba?
Yeah. I'm still commenting.
Can you say it?
So since we just washed the pasta, we're gonna add some olive oil to it so that it doesn't stick and it also adds flavor.
I'm good. How are you?
The shrimp is done now.
Cherry pala tawag dun, ano? Cherry tomato. I said it's grapes.
Oh.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Oh. That's so cool.
Oh, pops.
Okay.
What is that?
This?
Yeah.
Salt.
Why the salt is there?
No, I'm waiting. The pasta.
Oil in there? Okay, so this is the finished product, sir.
Okay, this is our finished product. We're gonna try it. Me and Jolene, we made it.
Cheers.
You like it? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!